Advisable. Meaning. Advisable means something that is recommended or suggested as a good idea, action, or course to follow. Definition. Advisable is an adjective that refers to actions or choices that are recommended because they are wise or sensible in a given situation. It is used to describe something that should be considered in order to achieve a desirable result. Examples in sentences. 1. It is advisable to drink plenty of water during the hot summer months. Here, advisable means it is recommended to drink water for staying healthy in the heat. 2. She thought it was advisable to call the meeting off until the storm passed. In this sentence, advisable refers to the suggestion that postponing the meeting is a good idea. Usage. Advisable is often used in contexts where certain actions or decisions are recommended for safety, health, or well-being. It suggests a decision based on wisdom or practicality.
English practice.